Welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you that how to manage family pairing with parents on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Firstly, you have to open the TikTok app, click on the profile. Click on the three lines which appear at right top corner. Click on settings and privacy. Now you have to select the family pairing. Continue. You can make your family parents with the parents who is using TikTok account. They will watch your all the activities on your TikTok account. Send them link from here or scan a code from here. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.